One thing you will need is you will need handles or some way to grip your grip, or whatever item you're dipping. That way your fingers aren't, because whatever your fingers are covering is not going to allow it to be dipped. So I like to use a little piece of tape on the back, make little handles. And now I have a nice way to grip. Alright, now when you're cutting your film, you're going to take it out, roll it out, you're going to cut it to where you have about a half-inch gap on each side of your frame. I went ahead and did that just to save some time. But this fits nice and evenly in my frame. And what you're going to do if you ever get confused on which side goes towards the water, put a little bit of moisture on your fingers, see which side it sticks to. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lay this film on the water. And you want to try to keep as much air out of it as possible. You know, watch, the film's going to kind of swell and shrink and kind of act real fun. Blowing on it will help push some of the smaller air bubbles out. While this is happening, you want to let that film sit on there for about a minute. So if you have a timer or anything like that, have that ready, the timer going. And while it's doing that, get ready, get your activator out, get your gloves on. Double check, make sure you don't have any air bubbles. Alright, it's been roughly a minute, so we're gonna there's a nice coat of activator, and it's going to expand to the area of your dams. What you're going to do, you can see I left a couple little air bubbles in there, so you're just going to try to avoid those. What you're going to do is, it's all nice and glassy looking. So you're going to go at about a 30-degree angle. Take it under. Pull it out. Bam, you got a new carbon fiber grip.